Hello brosis, welcome back to my channel again. Today we're going to do a review. We're going to review the metal thermostat that we did it last year. Actually it's now more than a year. The last time we did this one was April last year. As you can see, the metal thermostat still intact and no leaking. Look at that. See, the coolant perfectly fine. Yep, just to do some review. I think compared to the plastic thermostat with the metal thermostat, a completely big difference. Okay, so if you have this kind of vehicle, Holden Cruze 1.8 or 2 liters or 1.6 or 1.4, I suggest you change the thermostat to a metal thermostat instead of plastic, because the plastic normally it lasts only about nearly 6 months and you have to replace it again. So when you buy thermostat metal, make sure they are the same size, because they comes with different made. Okay, so that's about it. Everything is perfect. What we installed with the cooler, everything is okay. What we installed for the gasket on the water pump, still working okay. Look at that, perfectly fine. It sounds better, and I've noticed it's more faster than usually before. Okay, that's about it. I mean, if you know how to read ABC, you can be a mechanic as well. Okay, so as long as you have confidence of doing it, that's fine. But if you don't, then bring it to the mechanic. Okay, thanks for watching and see you sometimes again. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?